Well, to continuing my lecture, observe carefully. FBD for block M2. Here M2G is greater, is it or not? M2G is greater minus T because acceleration is acting downward direction. From this, T F net means M2 into A because according to Newton's second law, F net is equal to mass into acceleration. M2 into A is equal to M2G minus T. Here T will move this side, then what we got? M2G minus M2A. M2G minus M2A. So for this, this is equation 2. Equation 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So what we got from this 1 and 2? Simple logic here. If you are taking 1 and 2, if we consider 1 and 2, wait, I want this from 1 and 2. This is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, so we need to find tension, force and acceleration, is it or not? Right? Tension, force and acceleration. So this is a diagram. First equation and second equation. Observe carefully. Here first equation tension is equal to M1A plus M1G. Second equation tension is equal to M2G minus M2A. Here both cases tension force is same or not? In both cases tension force is same. So that's why we equate 1 and 2 equation. So equate equation 1 and equation 2. So if you have to equate equation 1 and equation 2, we got a best result here. So observe carefully. M1A plus M1G is equal to M2G minus M2A. So now we equate these two. So we'll get acceleration and tension. Right? So from this M1A, this M2A move this side, M2A, M2G, this M1G move this side, M1G. So from this M1 plus M2 into A is equal to M2 minus M1 into G. So from this acceleration is equal to M2 minus M1 into G by M1 plus M2. This is overall process. Okay, this is overall process. So but this can be easily find by within 5 seconds. How can we find? So up to now we are calculating it will take 6 to 9 minutes. So up to now we are calculating to get acceleration 6 to 9 minutes. But how can I calculate this acceleration within 1 minute? How can we find? Simple shortcut trick. What is shortcut trick here? Simple acceleration formula. We want acceleration formula, net force by total mass. Net force by total mass. Observe carefully. What is net force here? Observe carefully. Acceleration is downward for the M2. Acceleration is upward for M1. That means this M2 block is moving downward direction. M1 block is moving upward direction. When it takes place, definitely M2 is greater than m1 only it is takes place. m2 greater than m1. So then net force means definitely m2g minus m1g. m2g minus m1g, because weight of force acting on this m2 is gravitational force. That gravitational force is also equal to weight. That weight is equal to m2g. So here is equal to m1g. m2g minus m1g, that is net force. Total mass means total mass. Total mass means how many masses are there here? m1 and m2. Total mass means m1 plus m2. So that means m1 plus m2 here. From this acceleration, from this acceleration, A is equal to m2g minus m1g by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. So if you take g as a common, m2 minus m1 into g by m1 plus m2. So that is acceleration A. So this is all about finding acceleration. So up to now I discussed two methods. First method, by applying free body diagrams to find acceleration. In second method, I applied just a simple trick to find acceleration. If you follow anything, so definitely you will get answer. But as for the competitive purpose, definitely you should follow tricks. So we should follow here tricks, so then only we are easy to solve any question within less time. So next, what is second question? Tension force. How to find tension force? Already you know. So already you know equation 1 and equation 2. You know equation 1 and equation 2. From this, what is equation 1? Equation 1. What is equation 1? From equation 1, from equation 1, from equation 1, from equation 1, equation 1, equation 1, T is equal to, what is here, from equation 1, T is equal to, what is m1g plus m1a. So that is according to first equation, we got m1g plus m1a. So from this, T is equal to tension force m1 into g plus a. m1 into g plus a. A is what here? m2g minus m1g by m1 plus m2. This is a T value. So from this, T is equal to m1 into, so take as LCM, m1 plus m2 is LCM here. So take LCM, m1 plus m2. So then what we got here? m1g plus m2g plus m2g minus m1g minus m1g. So is it or not? So then what we got here? m1g going to be cancelled. m2g plus m2g, 2m2g, is it or not? m2g plus m2g, 2m2g into m1. So finally what we got? Tension force T is equal to 2m1 m2g by m1 plus m2. So this is a tension force. This is tension force. So whenever like this questions are given, tension force formula, T is equal to 2m1 m2 into g by m1 plus m2. Acceleration is m2g minus m1g by m1 plus m2. For example, same question. For example, same question. I'll ask like this. I'll ask like this same question. When I ask like this, small change. If I ask question like this, if I ask question is like this, so this is a pulley, this is a pulley, this is M1, this is M2. Okay, so for this acceleration is downward, for this acceleration is downward is given, for this acceleration is upward is given. For this question, how to find acceleration? Here observe carefully, m1 is moves downward. When it is moves downward, if mass is greater only it is possible. That means m1 is greater than m2 here. m1 is greater than m2. From this, acceleration is equal to, what is the formula? Acceleration A is equal to net force by total mass. Net force by total mass. How to find net force? Here which is greater? M1 is greater. That means M1G minus M2G by total mass is M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2. So this is the acceleration here. In the first case, M1 is less than M2. That's why we got result M2G minus M1G. So for this second question, M1 is greater. That's why M1G minus M2G by M1 plus M2. So here main thing is to find acceleration, we must recognize which mass is greater. Here M1 is greater or M2 is greater. That is very important. Okay. So this is all about application 1. Next I'll discuss application 2 in further lecture. So about this lecture, if you will get any doubt, please mention in comment box. So again I'll come back with new concepts and newer formulas. Thank you for watching my lectures. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you so much. Again I'll come back with new concepts and new formulas. Thank you.